Hey guys, I'm at the mall with my friend and we found a Pop-It stand. So they have these Pop-Its. Guys, look at all of the Pop-Its. They have puzzle Pop-Its. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to Fi. We found more Pop-Its. We found Neatos too. The Pop-Its are okay, but I probably won't get any. We're not getting anything, so now we're going to Mind Games. There's so many Pop-Its.
No, like I'm hurting. Stop.
They have specs. Fidget spinners. We're at Books A Million. They have water snakes and they have snappers. Balloony pets. Whoa. Pop-Its.
How much is it?
Ramen noodles. Haul when we get home.